What's the meaning of buzz? Buzz. Buzz.
Buzz. Buzz. Buzz can refer to a low, humming sound or a feeling of excitement and activity surrounding a particular topic or event. The result of buzz can vary depending on the context in which it is used. In marketing, creating a buzz around a product or service can generate interest, increase brand awareness, and ultimately drive sales. In social situations, a buzz can create a sense of anticipation and excitement, leading to greater engagement and participation. However, if the buzz is negative or misleading, it can also lead to disappointment, disillusionment, and backlash. Overall, a well-executed buzz can be a powerful tool in creating positive outcomes, but it must be carefully managed and monitored.